Hey there, folks. Thanks for tuning into today's video. If you're in the market for a top-load washer that's efficient and gets the job done, then you're in the right place. Introducing the Kenmore 20362 Triple Action Agitator Top-Load Washer, a game-changer in the world of laundry. Let's start with the size. This washer has a spacious 3.8 cubic feet capacity, which means you can clean up to 17 towels in a single load. Say goodbye to multiple loads of laundry with this bad boy. Not only that, but it features an odor-resistant stainless steel tub that won't snag or pull fabrics and looks great after every wash. I don't know about you, but having a washer that keeps my clothes looking fresh and clean is a game changer. Now, let's talk about the cleaning power. The Triple Action Agitator cleans in every direction using a combination of spray jets, wash basket motion, and agitator action to efficiently clean ground and dirt and tough stains. No more worrying about whether your clothes are actually getting clean. This washer has got you covered. But that's not all. This washer offers 12 wash cycles, covering everything from delicates to towels, and multiple wash temperatures, so you can customize each load for the right type of cleaning. It's like having a personal laundry assistant right in your home. And if you're concerned about water usage, don't be. Each load uses just the right amount of water, and the deep fill option allows you to increase the water level for larger loads. Plus, the bleach and fabric dispensers maximize convenience because who wants to deal with extra steps when doing laundry? Still not convinced? This washer also pairs perfectly with the Kenmore 62332 electric dryer or Kenmore 72332 gas dryer, sold separately, for a complete laundry set. Say hello to efficient, effective, and convenient laundry. So, if you're ready to take your laundry game to the next level, then click the link in the description to get your hands on the Kenmore 20362 Triple Action Agitator Top Load Washer. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing product reviews and demos. Happy washing!